everybody and welcome back to a new video. I am the mum here on the S.T.E.A.M channel and this is... what's your name? Okay, and today we are going to be doing this. Harvey got this from his nan for his birthday and he wanted to turn it into a video. We have done a volcano video before on our channel, but this is a proper kit, a S.T.E.A.M kit, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts and Maths. Okay, right now we've got the instructions here. First we need to check if we've got everything. So do we have the volcano?
Yes.
Do we have the cup?
Yes.
Here. We have the little syringe.
Yes.
The spoon.
Yes.
The little stirring stick.
Yes.
Safety goggles.
Yes.
The red powder, which is sodium bicarbonate.
Yes.
And the white powder, which is citric acid. Okay, let's just move these to the side. Now we've put our little volcano in a little dish, just so that if there's any spillover, it's not going to mess up the table. Alright, okay. What we need to do is, it says here, make sure the volcano is dry. Is it dry in the middle? Okay, just put the same amount of each of the powders inside the volcano and stir it to mix. Okay? One scoop of each. I'll scoop, you mix powder. Okay, and look, there's plenty left over to do other volcanoes. Put that in.
Then another one. Then the one next.
Right, the instructions say that we can use water or you can use vinegar
To make it more powerful.
to make a more powerful eruption. So we've gone with some vinegar.
Okay,
Right,
next.
yep, mix. I think you use a big end for the mixing. I'll put these in a box. Have some help. Need help? Good.
The vinegar.
Alright, let's bring them closer
After we
so
do the
that they can
vinegar.
see the eruption. Right, okay. The next step says we need to fill this up with vinegar or water. So you want me to fill it up and then you can squirt it in?
Yeah. You can move it a lot.
Now Harvey is wearing his safety goggles, just like it says to, and it says you need to do this with an adult.
And it's good.
If you can hear a baby crying in the background, that's just Doreen. She's having a bum change and she doesn't like doing it. Alright, go. Whoa! That looks cool. Looks like, yeah, do another. No, gotta put it in. It looks like there's still some powders in there. Wow!
Girls, it's working.
Oh, that's so cool.
Should we do it again and
We'll
again?
do one more squirt and then we'll read the information that it's got here.
Girls, come see what I'm gonna do.
We'll show them the video when we're done. One more squirt.
What's this?
Just do it, Harvey.
There's a volcano in the sewing room.
Okay, now the pamphlet that it came with, it says there are two types of eruptions
Yummy, yum.
in terms of power and activity.
You wanna do it again?
Alright, you can do it again and I'll read. Explosive eruptions are caused by a blockage inside the volcano that prevents gases from releasing. The pressure of the following magma, which is a highly viscous or very thick lava, builds up and propels the magma up through the blockage and out of the crater, causing a massive explosion. Effusive eruptions are more caused by drops of pressure of gases after they are dissolved into the magma. Dissolved gases can escape easily during a lava flow and out of a volcano.
This is so fun. I used to do it again.
Alright, it says here, do you want me to read the steps of a volcanic eruption? Will you keep doing that? So okay. Molten rock or magma from beneath the Earth's surface begins to rise due to compression or decompression. Magma is pushed up through the cracks and weakness in the Earth's crust. Lava erupts from the crater of the volcano. Lava cools down and builds up on the outside of the volcano, and after multiple eruptions cause the volcanic cones. Do one more and then I think we'll be good.
I want to show the girl.
We'll show them the video. One more.
And the last one. Yay, it's gonna come out. Looks like I'm about to jump in.
Okay. Alright.
I want to do it again.
I think that's the last one. Now what do you want to say to everybody? What do you say at the end of the video? Please. Like, comment, subscribe if you like, and
share this video with your friends.
Share this video with your friends, and
bye.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.